Alright, so here I have a Audi A3 2016 doing some electrical diagnosis, right? Which in the past, based on what the customer has stated, crankshaft sensor was targeted, the circuit, fuel system was targeted, cool. So today I did my own scan, right? And I saw something really interesting when it comes down to signal, which is a 5 volt reference. It's the reason why this had to be removed, cool, right? So let me just show you exactly what is going on in this area. Corrosion and some burn, some short circuit happened, which more than likely is triggering the reference fault, reference voltage signal fault, right? And with a state like this, it's just not ideal. It's just can't expect 100% from this, basically. Cool. So upon resetting and channeling down, I see the evidence, right? So that is it. You see, this is the female connector which connect to the male in there, and vice versa, right? And see the evidence of the burn and the short circuit. So we have to track this down too and see at the end of this circuit, what else has damage, and so we just do a full complete replacement of these parts, right, including the computer and some other sensor that is related to the not starting crankshaft sensor issues. Cool. Yeah, so that is it.